How to redeem Roblox gift card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to redeem Roblox gift card. So let's get started. First, simply search or open up your Roblox account or Roblox application and make sure you have already logged into your account. And as you can see, I've already logged in. So now simply click on this more button at the bottom right corner and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option called help and safety. Just tap on this and click on help. So once you're inside here, just click on the search our article option and just search in for redeem. And just click on redeem, search in for that, and you can see the first option, that is how to redeem and spend your gift card. Just search in, click on that, and you should see the option called roblox.com/redeem. Just tap on this. And as you can see, Roblox gift cards are not redeemable on the mobile app and must be redeemed on the web. So you can basically search in for the same website or link which is being shown over here, that is roblox.com/redeem on your any of your favorite browser, and simply log in and with your account, and you can simply type in your code, that is your redeem code, just like that, to redeem Roblox gift card. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.